Hi people, this is one that I've just written. It's called Nature's Way. It's self-explanatory. It will play out on YouTube in full, okay? Up above, you see sun is shining. Up there, a rainbow too. The light of the rain that fell illuminates the sky so well. It's like a prism catching the rays and showing us of sunny days. All these around, from the sky up there to the very ground, teaches us nature's ways. When a seed is bloomed and petals are formed, it's like a child at birth, just being born. The creation of all things here derived from nature. But the source of life is above nature's ways, 'cause God wasn't created by nature, and His Spirit is our creator. Some say science has its way, but science is a way of change. But human beings were born, not rearranged. The blood that flowed through our veins came from a living being. And as we live through the wind of change, ain't nobody's been or seen where God has been. Nature is a way of life, but the source of living is the hand that holds the knife. And that is spirit, yeah. That is spirit, yeah. That is spirit, 'cause the spirit comes and goes, and only God knows where the spirit goes. It's not nature's way. That is spirit, yeah. The hand that holds the knife. That is spirit. And only God knows where the spirit goes. And it's not nature's way.